I have here another product. This is by Ultraflex, and this is another double-sided. This is the Ultraflex UltraBlockout Pro 15 ounce. This is a certified media. It is on the media locator as a certified media. You can download it straight into your printer. It is smooth. The other side has a little bit of a scrim texture, but the first side is smooth. You could use this certainly for indoor hanging applications, point of purchase, point of sale. It would certainly look very nice in a roll-up banner. This product, which you can notice at the bottom here, just has a little, it shrank just a little. Now, since I know that this is smooth, it's not going to have as much scrim, and so it's going to be a little more subject to shrinking. I probably lowered the temperature a little bit, put a little more bit of an interpass delay, but printed beautiful. Absolutely no issues. Now, I did 2 images. What I did effectively is sent over image A and then an image B, and then I inversed the order when I ran back on side B. So essentially my second image printed on top of my first image, and I just did them in reverse order. No issues. Things ran very well through this. I've been running this product for years. It's a high quality product. It's easy to use. It's widely available. Again, the Ultraflex UltraBlockout Pro, certified media, double-sided banner, full blockout, nice product, highly recommended. Do be aware that it could shrink a little, especially on side A of a double-sided application, and lower the temperature if need be, or you can use a scaling function in your RIP, which will enlarge side A a little bit, and then that way it will print the exact size you want, and then side B you rarely have to apply that because you've already applied it and it's not going to shrink any further. But great product, highly recommended, certified media.